How to fix unable to add apps to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And now you can see that if I try to add an app to the home screen, you can see the add to home screen button is disabled, and when I tap on it, nothing happens. So what you need to do is you need to swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. From here we scroll down, then tap on home screen. Next we scroll down and make sure you turn off lock home screen layout. So switch that off, and then now go back to your apps screen. And here if you touch and hold on an app, now you can add it to the home screen. And that's it. So that is how you can fix with issues not being able to add apps to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.